Already so many local Austin icons have shut down, and you have to wonder, is it worth it? I'm Dr. Alina Sholar. I'm a plastic surgeon, and this is my second opinion. Hi, I'm Dr. Alina Sholar. I'm a plastic surgeon in private practice, but I'm also the owner and CEO of a multi-location physical therapy and PM&R clinic and regenerative medicine clinic in San Antonio and Austin, Texas. The CDC has implemented some suggested guidelines for reopening schools. And reading through it, I started to ask myself, when do we ask ourselves when policies are put into place like this? At what point do we stop implementing these kinds of efforts? When SARS-CoV-2 is eradicated? Well, that's not going to happen anytime soon. When the seasonal influenza goes away? Well, that's not going to happen either. So do we keep schools shut down forever? Of course, the answer is no, but who gets to decide when, if, and to what extent that would be appropriate? Our kids need the opportunity, one, to be kids, and two, to develop an immunity to these viruses like this that are relatively low risk for them. I don't think people should take this pandemic lightly. However, we do need to start getting back to normal life. It is affecting businesses beyond just the initial lockdown. As we got closer to understanding when the epidemic curve was going to hit its peak, and then when we're on the backside, I myself kind of had a sigh of relief. This should be over. But instead, our mayor actually implemented a tighter lockdown. That itself instilled a sense of panic and fear in people. Well, gosh, if our public officials are making us stay at home, this must really be a disaster. But the thing is, it wasn't. Nobody's looking at this long-term impact where we have patients that aren't seeking care for critical things like heart attacks and strokes. All of this is due to the fear mongering that we've been subjected to, and also the social isolation, because that's just not normal for humans. Already, so many local Austin icons have shut down, and you have to wonder, is it worth it? Is it worth the lockdown? Because this is not a money for lives situation. This is a lives for lives situation, because there are real owners of these businesses who, like I said, have put their lives on the line, put their life savings on the line, and now they're just gone up in smoke. It's just a shame. It breaks my heart seeing these local businesses that have been here forever in Austin, these icons, go away. For what? For what in the long run? What long-term gain?